Me really need to understand if I'm me alone this happened to. About a year now, me stop buy goat, because every time me buy goat and reach home with the goat, me realize say I'm not them put in my bag. And some of them do too. You see how when a she goat or all if a mutton, them put all the balls beside it in the fridge. The ram goat balls. So it can smell like say a ram goat meat that them can't trick me because me is a country girl, me know much different from goat. Them need to stop it. If they don't have no goat, local goat, them need to say a mutton them have and stop trick people. You know goat expensive, I must say $2,000 a pound now for goat. Them not have no more mutton I give me because me no want no mutton. Give me my local goat. So when me start do, right at the source me go. Right at the butcher shop, right there so me go and ensure say me get my ram goat meat.